Hello, welcome to trading. So in this video I'll be showing you the most profitable trading strategy to use on pocket option platform. So we'll be using Bollinger Band and trend lines. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any question, drop it at the comment section. I'll surely answer you. So let's go. So first of all, we'll be changing this time, the candle time, to 5 minutes. Then we use Bollinger Band indicator. Then we change this to 21. Then we change this to 2. So let's go to this morning's trade and see what happened. So this is what happened in the morning. So how this strategy works is you wait for a trend. After a trend, then after like a bearish trend like this, then you start seeing one bullish candle, another bullish candle, another bullish candle, from like 2 or more bullish candles. Then you take your trend line, you put it at the open of the first bullish candle. So you wait for a break, then you start selling. So let's see what happened today, how to follow this strategy better. So this is a bullish movement. Then you wait. Then when you start seeing the bearish candle, another bearish candle, another bearish candle, then you take your trend line, then you put it at the beginning of that first bearish candle. Then you wait for it to break, then you start buying. You see the break here, you buy, you buy, you buy. Then you wait again, you see another retracement, then you take your trend line, you put it at the first retracement there, then you wait for it to break again. At the break, you buy, then you see another retracement here and also a trend here. Then you take your trend line, you put it at the open, then you wait, then you see another retracement here. Then you take your trend line, put it there, put your trend line just below at the open of the bearish candles. Then you wait for it to break. You see, went, 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 and there's a break here. Then you buy, you buy. Then you see another retracement here. Take your trend line, you put it up, you wait for it to break, went down, went down. Take your trend line, you put it here, wait for it to break. At the break here, you buy. You see, you buy, you buy, you buy. Then you take your trend line again. You see retracement here, retracement here. Then you put it up. At the break, you buy, you buy, you buy. So that's all for this strategy. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop it at the comment section and I'll surely answer you. Thank you.